Welcome to our lesson on adding mixed numbers. Okay. We're only going to be adding mixed numbers that have like denominators. Okay? When adding a mixed number, you add the fractions first, then you add the whole number. So we have 3 2/5. We know 2/5 is our fraction. And we have 4 1/5, and 1/5 is our fraction. So we'll add the fractions first. So we know when we're adding fractions with like denominators, we just add the numerators. So 2 plus 1 equals 3, and our denominator stays the same. And then we add our whole numbers. 3 plus 4 equals 7. So our answer is 7 3/5. Okay, let's practice. So we have 6 2/7 plus 4 4/7. So we know we need to add our fractions first. So 2/7 plus 4/7. 2 plus 4 equals 6, and our denominator stays the same. And then we add our whole numbers. 6 plus 4 equals 10. So our answer is 10 6/7. All right, let's look at this one. We have 3 3/7 plus 2 4/7. Let's add our fractions first. 3/7 plus 4/7. We know we need to add the numerators. 3 plus 4 equals 7, and our denominator stays the same. 7 over 7 is also written as one whole. This is why you need to add your fractions first. Okay? So now, when we add our whole numbers, we have 3 plus 2, which equals 5, but we also have to add this one whole we had from our other fractions. So 5 plus 1 equals 6. So 3 3/7 plus 2 4/7 just equals 6. It's just a whole number. All right, let's look at one last one. We have 12 7/9 plus 2 1/9. So we're going to add our fractions first. 7/9 plus 1/9. 7 plus 1 equals 8, and we know our denominators stay the same, 8/9. And now we add our whole numbers. 12 plus 2 equals 14. So our answer is 14 8/9. This concludes our lesson on adding mixed numbers.